today I'm going to continue my series called One Day, One Picture, One Doodle, and let's get going. So yeah, today we are gonna draw an apple. Yes, an apple. So today is Wednesday in Spanish. So we are gonna do the MI for Wednesday in Spanish. And now the line, and the 7. Oh, and another line. Okay, so yeah, for today we need something. This kitty cat box. So yeah. Yeah, and I tried to do this strange thingy. I will post it on Instagram because, well, yeah, I don't think it looks as I expected it to look. But anyway, you see that monstrosity. So yeah, it looks like this from the back. I have to look at it from the back while I will rewatch this video. Okay, so anyway, time for apple. So yeah, here we are gonna do like the band. Like this, like kind of the peach emoji, you know. And the stick. Now we need the super cute leaf. And it's like leaf stem. So yeah, now I want to do this face. So yeah. Look at this. And some little cheeks. Look how cute is that? So now for the sparkle into dots. So yeah, we are going with sparkle to dots. Sparkle to dots. Sparkle to dots. Mini sparkle to dots. Sparkle to dots. Okay, so we are done with the apple. You know what? Apple plus orange equals to apple. It's an orange, but like an apple. Apple. Love you. That was strange. Coincidence? I don't think so. So yeah, anyway. Yeah, thanks for watching this super perfect, beautiful video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget the likes, comments, and subscribes. Never forget them. Bye.